Do you know how a rainbow is formed? A rainbow is formed due to the phenomenon of dispersion of light. To understand what is dispersion of light is, let us perform an activity. For the activity, you need a prism, a white sheet and a cardboard with a small hole at its center. Place the cardboard at the position such that the sunlight falls directly on it. Next, keep the prism such that the light passing through the hole of the cardboard falls on the surface of the prism. At the other end of the prism, fix the white sheet as shown. As the sunlight passes through the prism, you will observe the beautiful band of colors appearing on the white sheet. If you look at these colors of the band from at the bottom, they are in the order violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The sequence of colors can be remembered by the acronym WIBGR. The light coming from the sunlight was white light. Are you wondering where the beautiful band of colors appear? Actually, the white light consists of 7 colors, mainly violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, which we saw as a band of colors. When the white light coming from the sunlight falls on the prism, it splits this incident white light into its constituent colors. The splitting occurs because different colors of sunlight bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray. When they pass it through the prism, the red light bends least while the violet bends the most. Thus, the rays of each color emerge along different paths and distinctly visible. Thus, we able to see beautiful band of colors. This phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent colors through a prism is known as dispersion of light. The band of constituent colors is known as spectrum. This phenomenon was first discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. Now we understood what dispersion of light is.